So hi guys, yes, so what I've done is I've laid all the colours down on my white base. As you can see, I had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colours here in total. And then I've got this white Montmartre titanium white paint, which I've thinned out a little bit more than the coloured paints down here on the canvas. And I'm going to use this as a swipe colour for the ocean pool, and hopefully it will work okay. So you can see me doing this now. I'll just get this one out, pop that in there, and then let's just pour this across the top. I have no idea how this is going to go, but let's just find out. So I'll pop that across the top. I'm hoping it's not too thin. I'm quite simply going to get my wet kitchen towel, like so, and drag it across the paint from the top to the bottom, and hope for the best, really. So here goes nothing. Okay. And I'll just put that down here below. I might try and torch it a little bit to help it form any cells, as if it does at all. I might also tilt it in a minute, so as you can see it's coming up. And this is an underwater painting, I'm hoping, with some fish in it, or maybe one fish in it, and we'll see how that goes in a minute. I might wait for all the cells to pop up first of all. Some quite nice colours coming up, really. I don't know if you can see from there. If you have a closer look, you can see lots of greens and blues in the cells. So what we're doing now is just getting a little bit of wet kitchen towel, and simply a little bit so it didn't come out very well. Let's try that here. Beautiful colours coming up already. They've been pretty much hiding under there every time, so we're just trying to bring them out now. What does water look like anyway? If you know what I mean. Oops, I just dripped a massive blob there. Never mind. It looks like a bubble. I can just go over it a little bit if I wanted to. think it's beautiful. I can do some touching up afterwards once it's dry, but it's looking amazing. I'll zoom in for you so you can see. Okay guys, so I'm just going to bring you down for a better look at it while it's still wet. So these are the cells we managed to get from that swipe, and lots of interesting colours have come through, as you can see. Any boring bits I can touch up when it's dry, but I'm really quite happy with that. And my fish, my glue gun outline of a fish, is going to go into this ocean, and hopefully it will look brilliant when it's done, but we will find out. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so really close up, looking at the cells, they're very green and blue, just the colours I wanted to go with, really, because to me that's what the ocean looks like. Okay, see you in a while.